going to come at this with a slightly bearish sound. Okay, this is going to sound bearish at the start of this, and justifiably rightly so. Okay, we've got really strong areas above us that would need to be acknowledged. Okay, that's the truth of it. And then I'm going to start talking bullish. Hi friends, Rocky Outcrop here with yet another technical analysis session for you. This one will be a nice, quick and easy look at Ethereum. I would love it if you join me for a live stream sometime. I'm actually filming this during a live stream. Check it out, everybody chatting down there below. Hiya Douglas, for example. And if you hit the like button, I really, really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow. It helps me feel good about what I'm doing over here. And if you want more crypto technical analysis, subscribe. Come back again in the future. I'd love to have you. Black screen, good time to hit like. Good time to hit like. Okay, have you hit the like? Have you hit the like? Let's get on. Okay, let's get on with the show. Right, so Ethereum, Ichimoku Cloud making it difficult to see the screen at this second in time. Just going to hide the Ichimoku Cloud for a second. Ethereum, you know, we did have the potential to push up the way, go much higher than we ultimately went, but how far did we go? Let's just sort of sanity check this and see if we managed to make it in at the 60% difference on this here on this measured move. So if I just hide that Fibonacci for us, drag the measure and stick up, pop it up here. We didn't quite get the full 60%, but we got a lot of that measured move. Then we came back down. We didn't actually quite get a retest of this wedge either. In fact, we broke on past it, kind of making me think that at this stage here, that line is not that necessary. But I do want to point out the fact that, you know, we've seen inflection around here a lot of times, and this is really resistance up above us. We can't fully get back on board the old bullish case scenario until such times as you see the price of Ethereum back up above $2,225, right? But we can take that out for just now and take a look at a couple other things here in the meantime. Just this price structure that we're at the minute. We didn't take out that low over there. Of course, we wicked down. We touched the 200 simple. Lovely to get a retest of 200 simple along a bullish trajectory. That's obviously a very nice thing to do. Right now, we're coming back up to an area where we have, of course, previous support and resistance. Big deal areas for us. All of these along the way. We spent a significant amount of time overall in this period, in this regime. That was the word I was looking for in a stream the other day, by the way. In this regime previously, and you know, there's the potential for us to look up. I am positive on this now at the minute, though, to be honest with you. I am quite positive on it, not least of which because while we remain above 2,094 bucks, we're above the 236 here, and we're looking up the way towards higher targets on here, just as I mess around with the undo button. And you know, your first profit taking target coming in here in around about that 2,333 price point. That would be what we'd be looking to. Of course, right now, significant areas above us. I do expect to see a bounce if we pop up to 250 right away, you know, taking out that $100 area. I expect a little bit of flux in around this zone just as we work past a couple of key areas and then push up the way. Let me just kind of show you a bit more on why I'm thinking along that lines. And you can see here the Ichimoku Cloud giving us that impression exactly, that we could come up, you know, hit off of this baseline area and maybe turn around again. We could push up and take out the cloud, you know, all of these sorts of things. But until such times we really push past, you know, for example, 2333333 or 23375, then we're not really kind of kicking the bears' heads in. But I'm feeling positive on this one. Bearishness up above. If we see prices drop back down the way, then I am looking down towards that 1989 area again. And actually, to be honest, it's 1850, around about 1850 zone, 1870, maybe 1910. But I'm going to actually call it and say the Terror. If you've watched that TV show, The Terror, where they're all in a boat, you know, and it's frozen cold and they're in the north looking for that passage. Where's that set? Well, it's set in there at on the year 1850. So I'm going to just call this zone the Terror. Okay, that's the Terror in right there. Okay, but beyond then, it's obviously, of course, looking very, very good and very much, very, very good. The recent pullback, healthy, good stuff. Nice one, excellent. Catch you in the next show.